Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I did it. I smashed another paper pad and I did it before the end of April, which was my goal. So I finished up this white Christmas paper pad. You can see there's nothing left. And this was one from, I bought it at Michael's. Oh my goodness, I want to say, yeah, in 2020. So this has been sitting in my stash for a while. But let me show you just some of the cards I made. Now, I made these. I'm going to kind of lay them out for you using just one of the sketches from Kendra's Card Challenge 18. And the sketch I used is actually sketch 15, which you can make 4 cards from that one sketch. So 4 cards with one sheet of 6x6 paper. So what I did was I cut down my 12x12 paper into 6x6 pieces, and then I cut those pieces down according to the sketch. And then what I did was I even used some of the pattern paper, as you can see here, and stamped the sentiment on there. And so I die cut it with a stitched oval die that I had in my stash, and then I layered that on a scalloped oval die. And I even added, and let me see if I can show you, right here I added some peel-offs from Love from Lizzie, just to give it a little bit of differentiation between the card base and the pattern paper on here. And for these, where I had a pattern paper layer behind it, between the 2 pattern papers. And I think that turned out really cute. So with that one sketch, I ended up making 28 cards. Perfect. 28 cards to add to my annual Christmas card donation. Then I made some more cards, and I used one of the sketches, the paper busting sketches from Jess Crafts, to make these cards. And I did these on one of my live streams, and I'll link that in the description box below. I did some of these anyway. So what I did was use that sketch as well as all the different pattern papers that were left, and pulled in some sentiments I had in my stash. And these were sentiments I download from Sassy's LLC, and I'll link to her channel. So I just combined all the different pattern papers, and then I got to a point where I just was working the scraps. So here you'll see these are just scraps of paper, and I just kind of layered them on each other to make them work. This is one of the pre-printables from Sassy's LLC, and I think they turned out great. So I finished up that paper pad making all these cards, and I used up a bunch of the gray card bases I had in my stash, because I still have more, but I had a whole bunch of gray card bases because at some point I bought a pack of the heavier weight gray cardstock, the multi-pack at Michael's, as well as some black one, craft, cream, and white. And I made a bunch of card bases. And I finish up my white card bases all the time, but my gray ones were kind of just sitting there. And so I wanted to get them all, at least a good portion of the gray card bases used. So I thought that they went well with this pattern paper, because this pattern paper had a lot of gray in it. So this batch is 47 cards. So I got a good chunk of cards made here. So now that I have smashed that second 12x12 paper pad this year, I have to decide which paper pad I'm going to work on smashing next. And that's where you come in. So I have a bunch of these Echo Park collections. And so I thought I should probably smash 1 or 2 of these. So I'm going to let you guys pick which collection I'm going to be smashing next. So we're going to choose between the Merry Christmas collection or the Christmas Delivery collection, or the Christmas collection and this one is Cartabella paper. So if you know anything about Echo Park and Cartabella, the Cartabella papers are a little bit thicker and have some texture to them. And then choice number 4 is the Christmas Salutations number 2 collection. So you let me know in the comments below which collection I will be smashing next. Now with any luck, I'll get a collection smashed probably by mid-May. Then I can probably work on a second collection. So maybe give me your top 2 choices. Give me your number 1 choice and then your number 2 choice, just in case I'm able to get 2 of these collections smashed in the month of May. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.